In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflows in Hubspot. Workflows are an essential tool for automating repetitive tasks, streamlining your processes, and saving valuable time. Whether you're managing customer relationships, following up on leads, or organizing internal tasks, HubSpot's workflows can help you stay efficient and focused on what matters most. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting up a workflow in HubSpot. First, head over to HubSpot's official website and log into your account. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll need to create an account before you can proceed. Don't worry, it's quick and easy, and you can find the link to get started in the description below. Once you're logged in, locate the Automations option in the main navigation menu. This is where all the automation tools are housed. Click on Automations to open up this section. From here, we're going to focus on workflows. So go ahead and click on the Workflows tab. This is where you can view and manage any existing workflows you've set up, as well as create brand new ones. Next, look for the Create Workflow button and click on it. This is the starting point for building a new workflow from scratch. By doing this, you're essentially opening a blank slate where you can customize actions and conditions to suit your needs. Now it's time to define the specific actions and conditions for your workflow. Think of this as setting up the triggers and responses that will automate your tasks. For example, triggers could include things like a user filling out a form, visiting a particular page, or updating specific data in your system. Once you've selected your trigger, you'll then add the follow-up actions you want HubSpot to take, such as sending an email, updating a contact property, or notifying your team. These actions allow you to automate repetitive tasks, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Keep in mind, the triggers and actions you choose should align with your specific goals. If you're automating lead nurturing, your workflow might trigger an email sequence when someone downloads a resource from your website. If you're focusing on internal processes, you might use workflows to assign tasks to your team based on a contact status. The possibilities are highly customizable, so take the time to map out what makes the most sense for your business. And that's it. By following these steps, you can set up a workflow in HubSpot tailored to your needs and start leveraging automation to improve your efficiency. So now you know exactly how to create workflows in HubSpot to streamline your processes. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.